Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode that's packed with all sorts of crazy encounters. All the clips featured in this episode are for educational purposes and serve as a reminder of what to avoid and how to properly behave in traffic. So without any further ado, let's get this episode started.
Hi, Dr. Laura. Thanks for speaking.
Hi, what can I do?
Hi. I had a question.
That's your problem.
This teenage driver ran a stop sign and swerved all over the road. This video is just another proof of why you should keep a safe distance from other vehicles.
Did he just eat that light?
Video protected.
Yeah, I did that too. I did both.
So you know.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's it.
He always used to have like a thick head of hair and the hair's been falling out, and I don't know whether, I've always said to him I thought it was something to do with the warfarin, but I don't know whether that's just me presuming or whether there is something in that.
Over to you, Sarah. So it's really interesting you say that. It should be on the road. You know, you said, oh, my husband had major.
What's this crazy driver doing in the bike lane? I think that he doesn't know either.
Hollywood documentary called The Baby Boom. In this film, economists and Nobel Prize-winning PhDs from Wharton, MIT, and Stanford share a strange concept I call the retirement bill. It gives you more retirement.
What the hell are you doing in the bike lane, car?
It's never at risk if the market crashes.
Don't run him over.
If the market crashes 30%,
Jesus Christ.
people who are on track should get money to this new strategy because it increases their retirement or can allow them to stop working years.
And he had to go to the bathroom, so he ran in the house, down the hall,
jumped in bed and peed.
Well, that's what's stopping them on the frickin' road.
Yeah, you gotta believe it.
You gotta believe it.
He's a big kid. So, yeah.
Possible. It's not known why the pedestrian was on CBS.
After 2 year pandemic hiatus, the people who slide down the outside of San Francisco sky.
Police work can sometimes be so underappreciated, and it's videos like this one here that shows us how grateful we actually should be to the ones serving our community.
Sir, we gotta go, buddy. That's it. That's it, buddy. Slide over. That's it. I'll give you a piggyback. Good work. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Go on.
Camera came across a clueless driver who was making a turn from the wrong lane. The actual turning lane was right next to where the driver stopped.
Are you turning? What are you doing, you dumb bitch? You're not in the turn lane, you stupid.
In 2 miles.
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow. In this video, the camera caught some reckless drivers on his dashcam. A lot of them change lanes without indicating or checking their mirrors. They ignore traffic signs and traffic lights. A lot of drivers like that are more frequent in traffic, and clips like this serve as an educational note on how to properly behave.
What? Make a left here? Yeah. And you don't have to stop. Go right through that light. Playing our phone.
There's a wheeze. Right? Wheeze
That's annoying.
This driver defies all logic. He was moving across the road in between cars like there was no one on the road, and on top of that, he started reversing as well.
Why did you interrupt me? You mispronounced my name. What, you mispronounced my last name? I know. It's Dunham. Now, when you look at it, it says Dunham, just Dunham.
So, and then family in general.
Idiot! Holy... You didn't bother to look!
Pay attention at the driver in a white truck to the far left. He pulled out onto the road way too slow and too late. Because of that move, the driver that was behind him ended up on the wrong side of the road, causing a head-on collision. Pay close attention at the driver in a blue car here at the intersection. The driver got too impatient, and his impatience made him do a beginner's mistake as he pulled out onto the road way too soon. Driver caused a head-on collision, but that's not the craziest part. He got out of his car and started running on foot. The cops saw it all, and they gave also chase. Check out this crazy footage. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something from this one. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, because that would really help us. Driver turned left without checking both lanes, and because of his careless move, he got hit.
browsing history as usual. Brave's implementation of Request OTR protects the user in the following ways. The user is prompted and proactively asked upfront whether they wish to have their visit forgotten after they leave. The user is protected the entire time they're visiting a sensitive.
Running a red light can have serious consequences for you and the rest of the traffic. Always tend to be patient enough to care about the ones around you.
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia hits FXX, while Bravo also premieres a new season of The Real Housewives of Orange County. And speaking of
When you want to pull out onto the road, you need to proceed with caution, especially if your view is blocked by other vehicles or trees.
Feet. Turn left on Main Street.
I don't know when.
Take the next left onto North
Falcon
Chestnut
Heavy.
Avenue.
Oh, yes.
Which is
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, my bad.
All right. A little wider.
This rude driver pulled out in front of the camera without bothering to look at all, and it came to a crash. More shocking fact is that the driver who pulled out in front even lied to the cops.
It is if it's going to the dog. You son of a...
Did we hit him?
What the? Jesus. You just went off or what? That's cool.
Rude driver forced his way in front of the camera, but a karma cop was there as well and he saw it all. I suppose that next time he'll think twice before making something so dangerous. Camera was just driving around when all of a sudden he got cut off by this crazy driver who took the last second exit as well. Mazda driver that was behind the camera tried to change lanes without indicating, and needless to say, he caught everyone by surprise, and he nearly caused an accident.
They just had an accident back there, didn't they?
Little.
Wow. Wow, that Mazda, wow.
Camera got passed by a driver who was in a hurry, But that same driver got cut off by a pickup trucker. This is where tension started to flare up, and it came to a road rage. Because one driver was paying more attention at his phone instead of at the road, he caused an accident. Texting and driving is among leading causes of accidents, and some drivers just can't seem to put their phone away while driving, regardless of that fact. In this video, you will see a driver who didn't secure his load properly. Something fell out of the back of his truck at the intersection, but the camera made sure to do something really cool about it.
You're going on YouTube, Bo.
Files from the Android phone. 50,000 downloads. It has since removed from the Google Play Store. Then we got a few patches to mention.
Driver on the left side of the camera cut across in the camera's lane. This traffic light has a dual left turn, but instead of staying in his own lane, the driver in an SUV cut the camera off and he didn't bother fixing his mistake after the camera honked at him.
In our first video, we have a crazy driver who lost his patience and he nearly sideswiped the camera as he moved past him. Never act like this crazy driver here. Despite the fact that the lane ends, this driver doesn't seem to be much bothered. He goes by the old rule, if the lane ends, create your own.
In 800 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-5 North.
Camera caught some reckless moves on his dashcam. Drivers don't know how to act at the roundabout, overtaking over a double solid yellow line and even using the shoulder of the road. All kinds of bad moves. Take notes and learn, people.
That was dumb.
On that truck's part.
Smiling face.
Slightly smiling face.
Do you want to reply?
Now look at this.
Oh my God! What the? Jesus Christ!
Camera got caught up in a traffic stop at the bridge and there was no other way than to stop and wait. Unfortunately, the van driver that was behind the camera didn't pay attention at the road ahead and he caused an accident. Biker got into a heated argument with a rude driver who nearly hit him as he moves past him. To make things even worse, he was so self-entitled that he didn't want to admit his fault here at all.
Who are you honking at? Was that at me?
Yeah.
Was that at me?
Yeah.
Why?
Go.
Why did you?
Go.
I'm allowed to be in the road. I was off to. I was in the path. Why are you? Why did you honk at me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. La 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 la.
Make sure to click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.